Brian Bowersock here with the West Automotive Group. Today we're talking about oil leaks, something that most people just don't want to have to deal with, to be honest with you, and they can be difficult to deal with. The reason why is diagnosing an oil leak can be a major feat sometimes if you don't approach it in a proper manner. Often folks will come in and say, I've been told I have oil leaking from here or there, etc. What we want to do is approach this in a way that we can actually kind of determine exactly what's leaking. Often with oil leaks, we'll start on anything that's leaking from the upper end. So if we have a valve cover gasket leaking, we might recommend to start there especially. But we do classify leaks in different ways as far as seeps, leak, full on, hitting the ground. A seep is something that can just be oil slightly coming out, or sweat, which can be just dirt, moist dirt stuck to the side of something. Sweat we don't worry about. Seeps we can often keep an eye on. An active leak is something you want to address. We actually put oil dye in to verify where the leak's coming from. Clean everything off, oil dye in, use a special light, and we can actually see with an indecent light where the oil leak's coming from. At that point, we start making recommendations on repairs. Diagnosing oil leaks properly is extremely important. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFNB.